Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Taste and Bloom, and today I'm excited to be sharing with you okra or okra light soup. This recipe was inspired by sweet Adjeley. I'll leave a link to her recipe in the description box. Do make it a point to check it out. Now let's get cooking. For this simple recipe, we are going to need chicken. This is the thigh and it's soft, so that's what I'll be using. I've already cleaned it. For seasoning my chicken, I'll need some powdered fish, salt, bay leaves, rosemary, onion, habanero pepper, and ginger. Also going into my okra soup will be tomato, onion, carrot, habanero pepper, and some tuna. I also have here some grated okra and chopped onions. So I'll start by cooking my okra with my chopped onions in a saucepan by adding some water and leaving it to boil. If this is your first time here, I am so blessed to have you. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. So we're going to go ahead and season our chicken. I'll blend my ginger, onion and pepper and add to the chicken, and rinse the bowl with some water and add also, and then add in my bay leaves and allow to boil. So my okra has been boiling. What I'll do right now is to turn off the fire and allow it to cool down a bit. So once my chicken begins to boil, I'll give it a stir and then drop in my tomato, onion, carrot and pepper. So this is soft chicken, so it doesn't need you to cook it for too long. So once these vegetables go in, I'll cover and allow them to soften up a bit for about 5 minutes, and then take them out and blend. To my returning subscribers, I am so grateful for your continuous support. So after blending, I'll be adding it to the chicken on fire, and then I'll rinse my blender and add that water to it as well, and then fill it up till I am satisfied with the level of water, and then of course leave it to boil over. So at this point, I'll be adding in my okra and then stirring in to incorporate everything, and then leave it to boil for about 20 minutes. So once my oil begins to form on top, I put in my tuna and then stir that also in. So I forgot to mention, if you like slimy okra, please add some baking soda before boiling your okra. As for me, I refuse to chase my boys with that slime. There is no palm oil in there. So then I proceed to serve with some banku. Definitely give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes. I also thank sweet Adjeley for this recipe. I enjoyed making it, and my boys definitely enjoyed it with their banku. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and continue to share my content. I am so grateful to everybody for the support and love so far. And until we meet in my next video, as usual, keep blooming.